Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to upload digital products to your Gumroad, and it will be a quick and beginner tutorial. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to create an account in Gumroad. So I'm going to copy it and I will paste it here so you can see it. So creating an Gumroad account is really easy. Just here you just need to click on start selling, then here you need to paste your email address and password and click on create account. You done it, then it will redirect you to the dashboard panel. Once you come over that place, you just need to click on products. Once you click over here, you can see we have the option for create a new product. Just again click over here. Once you click over here, it will select the digital product. You can select this one, also this one too. So I'm going to click on digital product and I will give a name that will be ebook videos, and then I am going to click on OK. I need to give a product that will be $5, and then I will click on next customize, and then here you can see they are asking for description, cover photo, upload image. So I'm going to upload an image from that place. This one might be perfect for my choice. You can upload a thumbnail over that place also. Here you can see the product info. I want this, buy this. I'm going to make it buy this. Summary, you can provide in summary. Once you done it, then click on save and continue. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the next page where you need to upload your content. So here you can see, let's give it a rating, this one, and here you need to provide your all the necessary things. Then you need to click on publishing, and here you need to publish your post will be published. So I need to complete my account creation. You need to verify it. So let's visit on my Gmail account and then confirm my instruction and confirm email. Once I done it, now it will be confirmed. So the process is really simple, as you see how I did it. If you do it right now for your business, then you can easily upload your digital product on your gumroad.com. So this video was helpful for you, I think. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.